This is my friend Dulzura's hair. It's bleached, it's dyed, and she wants to learn how to style it so it doesn't look fluffy, but more like this, defined, voluminous, shiny, beautiful. And it's very easy. On clean damp hair, the first thing to do is to lift the roots. We are going to put a small amount of Keratina Kativa leave-in. The same with Cantu Avocado Curl Activator like this. Do not touch the roots so they don't get flattened. We divide into sections and run the brush through like this. Yes, impressive definition. In the crown area, you're going to do it but upwards like this, so it's fluffy. We are going to apply Dipitido gel to maintain the definition. We wet it and apply it scrunching. Lift the roots again. Remove excess moisture and product with a cotton cloth like this, scrunching. We are going to dry with the diffuser, and look at that, what a great hair. It's fluffy, it's defined, it has movement, the color stands out even more beautifully. It goes perfectly with that smile. And as you could see, it's not complicated at all, and it doesn't take a lot of time either. I love Gyo's sweetness. She didn't just want to learn how to style herself. She wanted to share it with all her community so that it wouldn't be complicated for them. And well, with a lot of love from both of us, here it is.